This is maybe the most impressive small boat at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. This 2025 SDX 250 is just bigger than the 230, but it has so many more features on it. I'm going to show you all about it. Check it out. After getting a chance to check out Sea Ray's 2025 SDX 250 at the Lauderdale Boat Show at its premiere showing, I've had a chance to dig deeper into some of those features. I didn't quite catch them all at first, but honestly, it's packed with a lot that are worth taking a look at. Let's just quickly put the SDX 250 into context of other Sea Ray boats. There is an SPX boat series that is shorter and has less features than the SDX, notably the missing head in the SPX series. Above the SDX series, there is the SLX series with many more features, more capacity, and obviously a little more expensive. On the other hand, this SDX 250 has many more features and noticeably more space than the SDX 230, which is also a world premiere right now. It's not just about entertaining larger groups, but this is definitely where it can do that. But in terms of going out with your family and having space to breathe, if you're looking for something that is good for a quiet day, as well as sports and fishing with ideally no more than 10 people, although you can have 14 people, then the SDX 250 is a strong candidate. If you check out all of the storage, if you check out all the seating, the configurations on this very manageable 28-foot boat, then you can see how the layout makes it a really versatile boat. Maybe the most versatile sub 29-foot boat in this category, with the exception of maybe an SLX. One feature I really appreciate, and it's worth looking at a little more, is the movable backrests on the driver and navigator seats. While you're docked, while you're anchored, you flip them around, then you got two chaise lounges. It's great. The cockpit area becomes really versatile for different kinds of seating, different kind of chilling. Another thoughtful feature is the integrated cooler compartment in the cockpit. This is really great. It's a small convenience, but it makes a big difference in terms of not having to lug the cooler around. And up in the bow, really wide bow at that, you've got this oversized seating area. For longer days on the water, the SDX 250 also has a compact head that's not too compact, so you can also use it as a changing room. So it's got a small sink as well, which is really nice. If you look at this, there's clearly room to stand up to change, to sit down to change, and washing your hands after you tingle is a very nice feature and luxury, actually. And it's another example of how the SDX balances comfort with practicality. At the helm, the digital dash with the Simrad MFD gives you all the tools that you want or need, maybe even a little more, in terms of following the vessel information, the engine information. It allows you as well to be able to troubleshoot all from your phone, whether you're sitting at the bow or at the transom. Performance-wise, the SDX 250 comes standard with Mercury 250 V8 Verado outboard. And what this motor does is it gives you a top speed around 40 miles per hour, and it will give you enough propulsion for towing. You can option up to 300 horses, which is maybe a little more ideal for more efficiency, but also for towing tubes, for example. It's going to be better for that. And ideally, if you're going to be carting around a lot more people, then the 300 will be nice. Sea Ray really leans on their design expertise. It's really apparent across the SDX, SPX, SLX lineup. And this has an amazing balance of those features that end up coming in on a sub 200K boat in a very, very impressive way. There are a lot of options that you can get, which is also one of the benefits. You can customize what kind of features you want on your boat, and you might end up spending somewhere around 5,000 to 15,000 more on that. But again, it allows you to get the kind of boat that you want. So if you're looking for a boat that's as good for family time as it is for entertaining friends, that can be trailered easily, that maybe doesn't cost as much in terms of slippage fees, then the SDX 250 is worth checking out. This was a fun little boat checking out. Probably not as much fun as it is out on the water. I look forward to getting out there, and I hope you do too. Thanks for watching. See you later.